Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got for you a cleaning hack. You know I like to test different products or methods to clean in order to make cleaning faster and easier. Today I want to test a method for cleaning the stovetops, burner caps and grates. In order to do this, I let my gazebo's stovetop get like this. Dirty, grimy, full of burned on food, grease, and who knows what. This way, we will see exactly if this method works. Let's do this. I found this really cheap and simple way to clean the burner caps, and I want to share it with you. You only need two things: coarse salt and dish soap. Sprinkle a good amount of salt on the burner caps and top it with dish soap. You don't even have to wait. Just grab a wire sponge and get to work. You only need 2 moves to get that burner cap spotless. Look at that! Amazing! This really exceeded my expectations. Absolutely sparkling clean. Wow, just wow. This method is absolutely mind-blowing. Now I show you with all the burner caps. Salt is all natural, so it's a great safe cleaning agent. Another great thing about salt is that its structure makes it mildly abrasive, so it's good for cleaning stuck-on messes. The coarser the salt, the better it works. Salt has been used for cleaning since medieval times. Another great way to use salt for cleaning is to mix it with something acidic like lemon juice or vinegar. They react well together to be a cleaning powerhouse and bust through stuck-on messes. You can clean using that mix: coffee stains, drains, kitchen sinks and garbage disposals, ovens, stovetops, pots, pans and cast iron, precious metals, refrigerators, watermarks and rust, weeds, wood and cutting boards. I left the burner caps to air dry and I want to clean with this paste the grates too. Cleaning with salt kills some bacteria, breaks down grease baked on food and can dissipate bad smells. It is effective mixed with water and will bust the cleaning properties of vinegar, lemon juice and baking soda too. The other part of our mixture, dish soap, is safe to use on almost any surface and is more environmentally friendly than a lot of other common household cleaners. Dish soap cuts through grease, disinfects, removes bad odors, removes grime, is great for cleaning. Dishwashing liquid is a specialized cleaning agent formulated to remove grease, food residues, and stains. It consists of a carefully balanced blend of surfactants, water, fragrances, and other additives. While the burner caps and the grates are drying, let's clean the stovetop and the backsplash. Some degreaser will help clean it faster. Dishwashing liquid's grease-cutting power isn't limited to kitchen use. Its emulsifying properties make it effective for cleaning a wide range of surfaces, from countertops and stovetops to bathroom fixtures and even laundry stains. When diluted appropriately, dishwashing liquid can be used for general cleaning tasks throughout your home, making it a versatile and cost-effective cleaning solution. There is nothing better than a neat kitchen, and it is the best form of boosting your energy levels. A tidy and clean kitchen triggers positive vibes in our brains. Think of how you feel when you walk into a spotless kitchen. Just thinking about the kitchen being tidy and clean gives you happier thoughts. It keeps the brain active and it serves as a source of motivation to move about your daily activities. Some people tend to sleep better when they know that their kitchen is tidy. When you clean your kitchen deeply, it gives you positive energy. Achieving a neat cooking space is a great accomplishment. A messy kitchen can cause anxiety and depression. It also prevents you from cooking whenever you want to. Now that my cooking space is clean, I shine it with some glass cleaner. For the stovetop, I use a stainless steel cleaner that I make myself. It gives it an amazing shine and it keeps it clean for longer. If you want to know what it contains, I will link at the end the video where I show you how to make it. In the home, the process of food storage and preparation should be practiced with caution. Foods like milk and meat tend to spoil quickly if not properly stored and maintained. There is a need to keep your fridge clean and organized. This will help you keep track of the food you store, enabling you to use them before spoilage. If you don't keep an eye on the food stored, it will get spoiled without your knowledge, and the decayed food will produce odors. Cleanliness isn't just about improving the aesthetic value of your home, it has to do with safety. Crumbs or drops from yesterday's juice can cause a severe home accident if it is not cleaned at the right time. The stories you often hear about kitchen fires and other kitchen accidents are not planned, but when you keep your cooking space clean, it is a precaution against accidents. I put everything back and that's it. Clean, shiny, sparkling. You can clearly see that now my stovetop looks 1000 times better. An amazing result. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever used salt to clean. I must say this was the first time I used salt for this chore, but after this I used it many times because it works great. It does a very good job. On my channel, I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening, and laundry hacks. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. Now I want to show you the before and after shots. Absolutely crazy, so satisfying. Go and clean your burner caps and grates with coarse salt and dish soap. Amazing result. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!